Printing envelopes with the HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E all-in-one printer is quick once the envelopes are loaded correctly and the proper print settings are selected. This printer supports envelope sizes through its main paper tray, allowing you to print addresses clearly without needing special equipment. By adjusting the tray guides and selecting the envelope option in your print settings, you can produce clean, professional envelopes for letters, invoices, or invitations in just a few moments. Try these. Step 1. Open the paper tray and load the envelopes with the print side facing down and the flap positioned correctly. Step 2. Adjust the paper width guides so they fit snugly against the envelopes without bending them. Step 3. Open your document on the computer and choose File, then Print, then select your HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E. Step 4. In Printer Properties or Settings, choose the correct envelope size and paper type. Step 5. Click Print, then check the output to ensure the address, alignment, and orientation are correct.